Hello students, good morning. So till last lecture we done with exercise 2.4, two questions which are dependent on increasing and decreasing function. Okay, now we'll see here the next question. Question number 3. See here the question number 3. Find the values of x for which the following functions are strictly decreasing. For which the following functions are strictly decreasing. Okay, now see here the first example. Function fx equals to x plus 25 upon x. Okay, function fx equals to x plus 25 upon x. This is the required function and the condition is given that this function is strictly decreasing. And what we want to find out? The values of x. Isn't it? Now see here. Now see here the explanation. What is given to us? F of x equals to x plus 25 upon x, isn't it? Differentiate. First step काय आपले decreasing असेल किंवा increasing असेल. First step is to find the derivative. So find its derivative. F dash x equals to, what is the derivative of x term? 1 plus 25 with variable as it is. What is the derivative of 1 upon x? What is the derivative? Minus 1 upon x. So that term becomes into minus 1 upon x square, isn't it? So we'll get here the term 1 plus, sorry, this plus minus काय होणार तुमचं? Minus. So 1 minus 25 upon x square. So this is the value of f dash of x. Understood here? ही टर्म आपल्याला मिळाली. 1 minus 25 upon x square. Now what is the condition given to us? That function is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing, isn't it? Strictly decreasing means what? Its first derivative is strictly less than 0. Its first derivative is strictly less than 0. Therefore, what is the value of f dash x we found? 1 minus 25 upon x square. ही आपण आत्ताच काढली ना value. So which is less than 0. Isn't it? So make it simple. Cross multiply ही term काय येणार? X square minus 25 upon x square less than 0. So write it here. X square minus 25 upon x square less than 0. Isn't it? So take this x square on RHS, which implies that x square minus 25 less than 0. 0 multiplied by any number? 0. Isn't it? So we'll get here the factors. What are the splitting of, or what is the splitting of x square minus 25? In two ways you can do this term. Okay, either this way, that is x square less than 25, that is x is less than plus or minus 1. Is it possible? No. So how will write this term? Minus 1 x less than plus 1. ओके, अदरवाईज याच्यात कन्फ्युजन तुम्हाला कळत नसेल तर आपण दुसऱ्या मेथडनं पण करू शकतो. जस्ट लुक आउट हियर. a square minus b square. What is the splitting of a square minus b square? a minus b, a plus b. So what is the splitting of this term? x minus 5, x plus 5 less than 0. Okay, now after that we know how to simplify it. How to simplify these two terms? लेस दॅन 0 म्हणजे या दोन्ही टर्म्सचे मल्टिप्लिकेशन निगेटिव्ह कधी असेल? वेन आयदर ऑफ देम इज निगेटिव्ह. म्हणजे दोघांपैकी एक टर्म जेव्हा निगेटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा त्याचा आन्सर हे निगेटिव्ह येईल. दोन्ही असतील तर नाही येणार, कारण ते पॉझिटिव्ह होईल. मायनस मायनस, इजंट इट? म्हणजे दोघांपैकी एक, आयदर दिस मायनस दिस प्लस, अदरवाईज दिस प्लस दिस मायनस. सो अगेन विल गेट हिअर टू कंडिशन्स, isn't it? So what are these two conditions? Either x minus 5 greater than 0 or x plus 5 less than 0, otherwise x minus 5 less than 0, x plus 5 greater than 0. चेक करा, दोन कंडिशन्स घेतलेत. या केसमध्ये काय कन्सिडर केले आपण? सेकंड टर्म निगेटिव्ह घेतली आणि या सिच्युएशनमध्ये काय कन्सिडर केले? फर्स्ट टर्म आपण निगेटिव्ह घेतली. ओके. दोन्ही कंडिशनसाठी आपण एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यूज काय येतात त्या चेक करूया. ओके. नाव केस 1. What is the first case? When x minus 5 greater than 0 or x plus 5 less than 0. Okay. Therefore, this term becomes, take this 5 here, this 5 here. So, x greater than 5 or x less than minus 5. Therefore, is it possible की एक्सची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन 5 आहे आणि लेस दॅन मायनस 5 आहे. दोन्ही डिफरंट आहेत ना इंटरवल्स. याच्यामध्ये कुठलीच टर्म कॉमन नाही आहे. असा इंटरवल कधी पॉसिबल आहे का की एक्सची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन 5मध्ये पण पाहिजे आणि लेस दॅन मायनस 5मध्ये पण पाहिजे. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. सो व्हॉट वी कन्क्लूड हिअर, दिस केस डज नॉट अराइज. म्हणजे असं कधीच होऊ शकत नाही. अदरवाईज यू कॅन राईट इट हिअर विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके. म्हणजे आपण ही केस कन्सिडर करणार नाही. ना व्हॉट इज द सेकंड केस? केस 2. x minus 5 less than 0, x plus 5 greater than 0. Therefore, shift here. X less than 5 or x greater than minus 5. Okay. Therefore, is it possible? Yes, of course. x ची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर दॅन मायनस 5 पाहिजे. म्हणजे कुठल्या टर्म्स येणार त्याच्यामध्ये? -4, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आता याच्यामध्ये आणि दुसरी कंडिशन काय आहे? एक्स लेस दॅन 5. लेस दॅन 5 म्हणजे काय येणार? 4, 3, 2, 1 मागे सगळे येणार. ओके. म्हणजे कॉमन इंटरवल काय येणार याचा? -5 याची स्टार्टिंग आहे आणि एंडिंग काय आहे? 5. बट याच्यामध्ये 0 असेल का? इज इट पॉसिबल दॅट एक्स व्हॅल्यू इज 0? येस. देन हाव? नो. देन वाय? ओके. आपण इंटरवल तर कन्सिडर केला. -5 to 5 तर येतो इंटरवल. ओके. एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन -5 आणि एक्स लेस दॅन -5 दोन्ही सिच्युएशन आले याच्यामध्ये. इंटरवल मिळालं. बट is the 0 included in that interval? What is our original function? X plus 25 upon x. इथं डिनॉमिनेटरला x आहे. जर x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असेल तर हे फंक्शन डिफाईन्ड असेल का? एनी नंबर डिवायडेड बाय 0. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. म्हणून या इंटरवलमध्ये एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन घालायची की इट्स इंटरवल दॅट एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू ओपन इंटरवल. कारण की हे स्ट्रिक्टली आहे ना. सो ओपन इंटरवल -5 to 5 excluding 0. Excluding 0. So what is the interval? -5 to 5, that is x belongs to -5 to 5, that is open interval, -0. फक्त ह्या इंटरवलमधून 0 स्किप करायचा. का? कारण की 0 असेल तर आपलं ओरिजिनल फंक्शन डिफाईन्डच नाही होणार. कारण की एक्सची टर्म ही डिनॉमिनेटरला आहे. अंडरस्टूड या? सो फॉर दिस इंटरवल function is strictly decreasing. Understood here? So revise here the example given. Okay, differentiating with respect to x we get, therefore derivative 1, 25, 1 upon x derivative is -1 upon x square. Since the function is strictly decreasing, therefore f dash x is less than 0. F dash x value we know already, 1 minus 25 upon x square less than 0. Simplification. Okay, this term will shift on RHS. So x square minus 25 less than 0. Splitting is x minus 5, x plus 5 less than 0. Then either this possibility, otherwise this possibility. Okay, so one by one we'll take both the cases. Case 1, x minus 5 greater than 0, x plus 5 less than 0. So we get here x greater than 5, x less than -5, which is not possible. Okay, so this case does not arise. Okay, now second case, x minus 5 less than 0, x plus 5 greater than 0. We'll get here x less than 5, x greater than -5. So combinedly interval will get here open interval -5 to +5, which does not includes 0 term. कारण की आपलं ओरिजिनल हे फंक्शन काय आहे? 25 अपॉन एक्स आहे. डिनॉमिनेटरला एक्स असेल तर आपली कंडिशन काय असते नेहमी? the term should be non-zero. Okay, hence we get here for x belongs to minus 5, 5 excluding 0, f is strictly increasing. Understood here? So see here the next example function x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 12. Okay, so first step differentiating. So differentiate. Now see here the function. Okay, differentiate. So f dash of x equals to x cube derivative is 3x square minus x square derivative is 2x, and this 9 into 2 18x. Okay, plus this 24 with variable as it is, x derivative is 1 plus 12 derivative is 0. So we'll get this term, isn't it? What is the condition given to us? That the function is strictly decreasing, isn't it? So strictly decreasing means what is the condition for strictly decreasing? F dash x less than 0. Okay, जर एखादं फंक्शन स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग असेल तर त्याचं फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज स्ट्रिक्टली लेस दॅन 0 असतं. Understood here? So this term is less than 0, isn't it? So we'll get here 3x square minus 18x plus 24 less than 0. Okay, so from left hand side which term is common? फक्त simplification करत जायचं. From left hand side which term is common? 3. So take 3 common. 3 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. Okay, so we'll divide this 3 here in RHS. So 0 divided by any number? 0. So we'll get here the term x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. Okay, now it's a quadratic equation. What are the factors of this quadratic equation? The factors of 8 such that multiplication is 8 and the total is minus 6. See here, minus 4 minus 2. Check this multiplication plus 8 and this total minus 6, isn't it? So we'll get here the factors x minus 4, x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, again when this multiplication is 0 less than 0, हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन लेस दॅन 0 म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह कधी असेल? वेन आयदर ऑफ द टर्म इज निगेटिव्ह. जेव्हा दोघांपैकी कोणती तरी एक टर्म ही निगेटिव्ह असेल तेव्हा त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन निगेटिव्ह येईल. दॅट मीन्स दिस प्लस दिस मायनस, अदरवाइज सेकंड केस इज दिस मायनस दिस प्लस. ओके, सो अगेन विल गेट 2 cases. Okay, so one by one we'll solve the cases. Case 1, when x minus 4 greater than 0, x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, therefore x greater than 4 or x less than 2. Okay, is it possible x ची अशी व्हॅल्यू जी ग्रेटर दॅन 4 पण आहे आणि लेस दॅन 2 पण आहे? नाही पॉसिबल, कारण लेस दॅन 2 म्हणजे 0 1 2 सॉरी 0 1 निगेटिव्हचे व्हॅल्यूज येतील. ओके, ग्रेटर दॅन 4 मध्ये 5 6 7 याच्यामध्ये कुठलीच कॉमन टर्म नाही, म्हणजे कॉमन इंटरवल कधीच येणार नाही, इजंट इट? सो विल गेट हिअर दिस केस डज नॉट अराइज. हे पॉसिबलच नाही आहे. ओके, सो विल फॉरवर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट. Okay, so what is the second condition then? Second condition is when x minus 4 less than 0 or x minus 2 greater than 0. Therefore, x less than 4, x greater than 2. Okay, x ची अशी व्हॅल्यू जी ग्रेटर दॅन 2 अँड लेस दॅन 4 आहे. पॉसिबल आहे ना इंटरवल? सो व्हॉट विल बी द इंटरवल? x in between 2 to 4. चेक करा. x greater than 4, x less than 4. Okay, 2 to 4. Hence we'll get here x belongs to open interval 2 to 4. For this interval, the given function is strictly decreasing. Understood here? For these values, for every value which are belonging to this interval, given function is strictly decreasing. Done here? So here we finish the question number 3. So let us revise the second question. Now see here the second question. काय काय केलं होतं आपण? Function, take its derivative, differentiate it, we'll get this term. Okay, we have one condition. आपल्याला एक कंडिशन दिलेली आहे की ते फंक्शन स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग आहे. So we know that f dash x less than 0. So put your f dash x term. Okay, 3x square minus 18x plus 24. So 3 common. So remaining term x square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. So take this 3 here. X square minus 6x plus 8 less than 0. Okay. So this is the quadratic equation. What are the factors of this quadratic equation? X minus 4, x minus 2. Isn't it? So again we have two cases. Either this possibility, otherwise this possibility. Okay. दोघांपैकी एक निगेटिव्ह असेल तर याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन निगेटिव्ह येईल. ओके. सो आपल्याला या दोन सिच्युएशन्स मिळालेत. सो टेक केस फर्स्ट. x minus 4 greater than 0 or x minus 2 less than 0. So we'll get here x greater than 4, x less than 2, which is not possible. Isn't it? So we take second case. When x minus 4 less than 0 or x minus 2 greater than 0. So we'll get here the two terms x less than 4 or x greater than 2. Okay, so its combined interval is 2 to 4. So x belongs to 2 to 4 open interval. Okay, hence for x belongs to 2 to 4 function f is strictly decreasing. Understood here how to find the values of x if the condition is given to us? Okay, now see here the next question number 4. Find the values of x for which the function fx equals to x cube minus 12x square minus 144x plus 13 is increasing. फक्त इन्क्रीजिंग दिलं असेल तर तिथे इक्वॅलिटीची पण पॉसिबिलिटी असते. त्यामुळे घेताना तुम्ही इक्वॅलिटी काय घेणार? ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल्स टू. जिथं स्ट्रिक्टली मेन्शन असेल तिथं इक्वॅलिटीचं साईन तुम्ही नाही घ्यायचं. Understood here? So let us solve this term. Now this is the given function fx equals to x cube minus 12x square minus 144x plus 13. Okay, so first step, its derivative. So f dash x equals to derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of x square is 2x, and that 2 and 12 24x minus this 144 with variable as it is, and what is the derivative of x? 1, and 13 constant derivative is 0. So we'll get this equation, isn't it? Now what is the condition given to us? That the function is increasing. Okay, increasing means what? Its first derivative is greater than equals to 0, isn't it? That means this function greater than equals to 0, which is means the function is also greater than equals to 0. Okay, so we'll get here the term 3x square minus 24x minus 144 greater than equals to 0. Okay, which term will take common? 3. So take 3 common. Remaining term x square minus 8x minus 48 greater than equals to 0. Take this 3 here on RHS. 0 divided by any number? 0. So we'll get here the term x square minus 8x minus 48 greater than equals to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. What are the factors of this quadratic equation so that the multiplication is minus 48 and the total is minus 8? So what are the factors? 4 into 12, isn't it? So negative term पाहिजेला आहे आणि ती पण त्याच्यातून 12 मधून कमी. So minus 12 plus 4. These are the factors. So we'll get here the factors. X minus 12, x plus 4 greater than equals to 0. Now when it is possible that this multiplication is greater than equals to 0. Greater means what? Positive. हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन या दोन फॅक्टर्सचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन पॉझिटिव्ह कधी येईल? जेव्हा हे दोन्ही पण पॉझिटिव्ह असतील किंवा हे दोन्ही पण निगेटिव्ह असतील. Isn't it? So we have again two cases. So case 1, when both the terms or both the factors are positive. When both the factors are positive. Okay, so we'll get here, sorry, equality also. So x greater than equals to 12 or x greater than equals to 4. So या दोघांमध्ये कॉमन काय आहे इंटरवल? जर हा इंटरवल घेतला तर याच्यामध्ये 12 येऊ शकतं. जर हा इंटरवल घेतला तर यातले हे फॅक्टर्स येतील का? नाही येणार. त्यामुळे कॉमन इंटरवल काय घेणार तुम्ही? एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल्स टू 12, ज्याच्यामध्ये 4 मधले पण सगळे एलिमेंट्स इन्व्हॉल्व होतात. Isn't it? So x greater than equals to 12. So we'll get here the term x belongs to closed interval 12 infinity. Closed interval 12 infinity. It's a -4 आहे, sorry. Done. So common interval या दोघांमधला x greater than equals to 12. So we'll get here the interval x belonging to closed interval 12 to infinity. Okay, for this interval the given function is increasing. And from the second case, what is the second case? When both the terms are negative. Isn't it? Therefore x less than equals to 12 or x less than equals to -4. Okay, so in both the terms, which term is common? We'll take only common interval. या केसमध्ये यातल्या टर्म्स नाही येणार आहेत, पण यातल्या सगळ्या टर्म्स याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व होतील. सो कॉमन इंटरवल काय ना तुमचा? एक्स लेस दॅन इक्वल्स टू -4. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज द इंटरवल? एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू -infinity to -4 क्लोज्ड इंटरवल. अंडरस्टूड हियर? लेस दॅन -4 आहे ना, म्हणजे लेस दॅन म्हणजे -infinity पण कुठली पण व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व होऊ शकते. Isn't it? So we'll take here the interval -infinity to -4. But 4 is included. That's why we are taking here closed interval. And why we wrote here open interval for infinity? Because we don't know the infinity value. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की इन्फिनिटी व्हॅल्यू नाही माहिती आहे. त्याच्यामुळे आपण नेहमी तिथं ओपन इंटरवलच घेतो इन्फिनिटी लिहिताना. Understood here? So for this interval also the function or given function is increasing. Okay, which is the required answer. So once revise it. So this is the given function differentiating with respect to x. We get this is the differentiation 3x square minus 24x minus 144. Since what is given, the function is increasing, that's why we are taking here f dash x greater than equals to 0. So this function greater than equals to 0. Take 3 common. Okay, remaining term is a quadratic equation. So what are the factors of -48, -12 plus 4? Okay, so we'll take here the factors. Okay, when it is possible that both these factors multiplication is positive. When it is possible, when both the terms are positive, otherwise when both the terms are negative. Isn't it? So we'll take here two situations. Okay, case 1, when both the terms are greater than 0, that is x greater than equals to 12 or x greater than equals to -4. So in both common interval is x greater than equals to 12. Okay, therefore for every x belongs to closed interval 12 infinity, function is increasing. Okay, now what is the second case? When x minus 12 less than equals to 0 or x plus 4 less than equals to 0, that is x less than equals to 12 or x less than equals to -4. Therefore, the common interval in them is x less than equals to minus 4. Okay. Therefore, for every x belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 4 closed interval. Okay. So, f is increasing function for it. Understood here? Hence, the function is increasing for x belongs to 12 to infinity and x belongs to minus infinity to minus 4. सो पूर्ण कोणता इंटरवल झाला या दोघांचं कॉम्बिनेशन घ्यायचं म्हणजे कोणतं सेट रिलेशन यूज करणार युनियन. सो एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू मायनस इन्फिनिटी टू मायनस 4 युनियन 12 to infinity. Understood here? So this is the required answer. Done? So we'll take here the next example. Find the values of x for which fx equals to x upon x square plus 1 is strictly decreasing. ओके, हे फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला आणि ते फंक्शन स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग आहे, तर एक्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करा. ओके, वी नो दॅट स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स f dash x less than 0, isn't it? So for that we have to first find out its derivative. So we'll solve this example. So here is the example. Function fx equals to x upon x square plus 1. Now in this function division is there, isn't it? Division means which rule we have to apply to find its derivative? Quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Isn't it? So apply this formula here. What is this denominator? X square plus 1. And what is the numerator? X. So apply here. We'll get here f dash of x equals to denominator x square plus 1 derivative of numerator, that is x, minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, make it simple. X square plus 1. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. Minus this x as it is. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. And what is the derivative of 1? 0. Divided by x plus 1 bracket square. So x square plus 1 bracket square. Isn't it? So make it simple. This multiplication will get x square plus 1 and this multiplication will get 2x square. Isn't it? So f dash of x equals to x square plus 1 minus 2x square divided by x square plus 1 bracket square. Okay, so 2x square minus 2x square plus x square, how much it is? Minus x square, and this plus 1 here. Positive term mostly upon firstly havi. Okay, so this term will get divided by x square plus 1 bracket square. Isn't it? Now here we get f dash of x. Now what is the condition given? The function is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing means this term should be strictly less than 0. Isn't it? So simplify. 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 bracket square is strictly less than 0. Hence, take this term on RHS. So, 0 multiplied by any number? 0. So, we'll get here 1 minus x square less than 0. Therefore, 1 less than x square. Isn't it? Okay. So, what we get? X square greater than 1. हेच फक्त उलटं लिहिले मी इनइक्वालिटी चेंज नाही केलेली. मी फक्त व्हेरिएबल टर्म LHS ला घेतली. इथं काय दाखवलं आहे? 1 लेस दॅन एक्स स्क्वेअर. व्हॉट डज इट मीन? एक्स स्क्वेअर ग्रेटर दॅन 1. Isn't it? So here we get x is in between -1 to +1. Isn't it? कारण की x ची व्हॅल्यू -1 जरी असली तरी त्याचा स्क्वेअर पॉझिटिव्हच येईल. मायनस जरी असला तरी सपोज ग्रेटर दॅन -1 आहे ना, सपोज -1.2 असेल तरी त्याचा येणारा आन्सर हे पॉझिटिव्हच येईल. ओके. आणि जर या आन्सर 0.99 असेल तर लेस दॅन 1 आहे ना, 0.99 समथिंग असेल त्याचा स्क्वेअर जरी केला तर तो पॉझिटिव्हच येईल. म्हणून आपण हा इंटरवल कसा घेतला आहे, -1 to +1 विदाउट इट्स स्प्लिटिंग. We are writing the term. Understood here? So which interval we are getting here? X belongs to open interval -1, 1. Open interval -1, 1. आता या केसमध्ये एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 0 कन्सिडर करायची की नाही. इंटरवल -1 to 1 आहे, इजंट इट. त्याच्यामध्ये 0 पण येणार. मग 0 पॉसिबल आहे की नाही. आपलं फंक्शन काय होतं चेक करा. fx इक्वल्स टू x अपॉन x² + 1 हे फंक्शन होतं. मग याच्यामध्ये जरी एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 0 असली तर डिनॉमिनेटर 0 येते की नॉन 0 येते. जरी असली तर 0 व्हॅल्यू, तरी 0चं स्क्वेअर किती 0, 0 + 1 किती येणार 1. त्यामुळे जरी एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 0 असली तरी डिनॉमिनेटर आपला नॉन 0च येतोय. ओके, म्हणजे फंक्शन डिफाईंड आहे 0ला देखील. बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे इथं आपण x बिलॉंग्स टू कम्प्लीट इंटरवल -1 to 1 घेतला आहे. 0 त्यातून एक्सक्लूड केलेला नाही आहे. हेन्स फॉर दिस इंटरवल द फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग or strictly decreasing. Understood here? So this is the example. Once we just revise it and then we'll. Okay, so see here the example. This is the function differentiating with respect to x. We just apply the quotient rule. Denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, so what is the derivative of numerator x? 1. What is the derivative of x² + 1? 2x. Other terms as it is. So simplify this multiplication x² + 1 minus this multiplication 2x². So minus 2x² + x² is -x². So we'll get this f dash of x. What is given condition? That the function is strictly decreasing. Okay, therefore f dash x is less than 0, strictly less than 0, isn't it? Therefore this function is also strictly less than 0. So take this term here, 1 minus x² less than 0, that is 1 less than x², that is x² greater than 1. Okay, which implies that x is in between -1 to +1, but it is strict. Okay, that means this -1 and +1s are not included in that interval. कारण की strictly situation है ना. That's why hence x belongs to open interval -1 to 1. Function f is strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Understood here? So here we stop for today's lecture. Rest of the examples we'll take in next lesson. If you have any query related to the same, mention it in comments. Okay, thank you.